What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Two Time. Right now, for today's video, we headed to grandma's house to go wash my car. So, let's get it. Y'all, we finna pull in to grandma's house. Feel me? We finna pull in to grandma's, to mama's house. She'll wash my car. See if she at the Yeah, grandma at the crib. I'm in reverse. Yeah, I'm in reverse for sure. It's hard to reverse while you got a camera in your hand. I'm not gonna lie. Move it up close. I don't know how long was that. Yeah, we there. Well, matter of fact, I'm going upstairs. She might be close. Might be long. Put it right there. Yeah, yo, that's grandma's house, man. Grandma's house. This baby is dirty, y'all. Very dirty. Back to the inside, outside. Definitely outside. Look how dirty that is. I don't know if y'all can see that. That thing dirty. Don't worry, I ordered me some new tires, man. Give me some new tires. Got my cleaning tire on, man. Really, man. Really. Look how dirty that is, man. Look. Whole smiley face, dog. Pop the trunk, even the trunk dirty, y'all. If y'all know me, man, I stay hooping. You ballers out there, man. If you know, you know. You know what I'm saying? You can't just have one pair of shoes out there, man. You gotta have about two of them. You got the PGs right there. I had these since 2017, bro. Stop playing, man. Shut up. Paul George. I had lights in my car, man, but we're gonna see if we can put them back in there. But if not, you know me, I'm gonna buy some more. But KD, if you don't know, now you know, KD. You know I've been balling. Look at this. And I just got these not too long ago. Well, we're gonna wash them though, we're gonna get them right. If you're a baller, man, make sure you always have a, you know what I'm saying, a pump, you feel me? Pump the ball up. Yeah, these my cleaning shoes, bro. cleaning shoes. Only cleaning shoes. I got a lot of running shoes like this, but these are my cleaning shoes for the day. It's beautiful out here, man. Y'all come out here, man. Come out here, walk around. You know what I'm saying? We stay by the Croc, you feel me? By the Croc Center. Go hoop, you feel me? Go hoop, go swimming, go do something, man. Go do something. I got ankle socks on, y'all, man. Don't get on me. Don't get on me. I ain't wear these shoes in a long time. You finna get active. You finna get active. Man, who put the Sprite bottle out here, man? My grandma. Hold on. Throw that away real quick, y'all. People out here disrespectful. I'll tie these in a minute. I can't tie with one hand. Trash ain't out here. I just wait till my grandma. I ain't know she was right there in the kitchen. Jesus Christ, hold on, y'all. Man, I would let y'all. All right. I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Would have let y'all see grandma, man, but I'm gonna get down to business. Oh snap! She hooked me up. She hooked me up. Spend time with your grandmas, man. Cherish them. Cherish them. Cherish them, man. Get y'all some of this, man. Go to your nearest Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, whatever. Family Dollar. Whatever, man. And get y'all some of it. Hold on. And get y'all some of this too, man. New car smell. But really, I like that black ice, you feel me? But, you know, want some new stuff. That smell good too. After you finish cleaning your car and stuff like that, you want to smell good, get that right there, you feel me? Or get that black ice. None of that other bull crap. Extendo, extendo. Oh man, it's too much work. It's too much work. Hold on, let's see if we're gonna do all that. Let's see if it just run. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Excuse my language. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man, spraying on grandma's car. Oh, hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Oh. Got to untangle this, y'all. It ain't gonna work if I don't untangle. Watch me work. Watch me work. Oh. Spraying all over. Spraying all over. I ain't trying to get wet for real. Come on. Okay, hold on, y'all. We on the something. I don't want to wet my phone. But y'all getting good content. You feel me? Good content. So far, you feel me? So far. Oh, it wet my camera. basically straight. Bro, what? Oh. Stuff like this, man, you don't want this to happen. Come on, bro. Are you serious? All right, y'all. We back in business. Back in business. How? Oh, oh, oh. Let's get it. What you want to do? You want to wet the car. Hold on, y'all. Now, what you want to do? You want to wet the car first. How do I already get soaked? How my car already soaked? I want it. Hold on. You want to wet your car first. That's what you want to do. You don't want to just straight up. But why barely any water coming out of this thing, dog? I would talk to y'all, bro. I would set y'all up and talk to y'all. But I forgot my mic's at the crib. My mic. So I'm holding y'all. But I'm about to set y'all up anyway. I'm going to stop talking for a minute. And just show y'all what to do first, man. What y'all want to do. Throw a little water in there, too. That's what you want to do. You want to throw a little water in there. Throw a little water in there. Well, first, hold on. Hold on. That good stuff right there. However, how much you need, you feel me? Whatever gonna work. Get some of that. We're gonna scrub them up. We're gonna scrub this thing to death. That's all the water going right there. You don't need too much water. Just enough, you feel me? Just enough. Y'all probably wondering, like, why he don't got one of those little things? Why grandma don't have one of those little things that just shoot out the water, little handles? Don't worry about all that. I believe she had one. But, you know, grandma ain't washing that car like that. She go to the car wash thing, get her car washed. Grandma ain't doing all that. Oh, snap. See, this is what you don't want to do. I accidentally waste the thing. Kick the bottle. Just waste my stuff. It's all good. Cheap anyway. $2. $2, man. You know, I'm usually bougie, but you know, when you got them funds right now, you need something quick. But you still want to pull off the cleanness on your car? Get one of those, man. Since the bottle fell, you want to clean that off. We're finna go to the other side of my car because right now this thing can't reach. Might have pull it some more. Jesus Christ, that's dirt. Can y'all see it? I want to get all under there too. We need all that out of there. I can't wait till these new tires come in, dog. Can't take this no more. Saying, man. Go to your grandma's house, man. Spend some time with her, dog. Do something. Go see her. What you gotta do? You only got one life. Look how dirty that is, bro. Look at that. But yeah, that's what you wanna do, man. I'm finna get the cleaning. That's what you wanna do. You wanna rinse your car off of water first. I ain't gonna lie though, it would have been much faster if I had a little handle. But it's all good. We're gonna do what we can. Do what we can. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna ask grandma see if she got another big tire, because I only brought one. Alright, we're gonna get to it. Get the vent on. Get all that nice and cleaned off. See me, I got OCD. I'm finna clean everything. Back seat, inside. She ain't got no vacuum, so I'm gonna catch that myself. Catch that another day. I mean, my inside ain't bad like that, but I just show my tag. Even though they ain't my real tag. Alright. We ready now, we ready. We ready. Alright. Well, let's wash this car, dog. Let's get it. you want to do, y'all. You want to clean your headlight. Get underneath that thing. Get all in there. You want to make sure your grill clean. Why spend money to go to the car wash where you can go clean it yourself for free? You feel me? Make sure that thing clean. You want to sit down on it. What you want to do, you want to sit down on it. What you want to do? You want to ride in a clean car or a dirty car? You let me know. You tell me. You let me know. If anybody know me, they know I'm gonna ride in a clean car. And if you don't know me, now you know. See what I kind of failed to do? I failed to do. I'm supposed to come back and rest, but I didn't. So you know what I gotta do? I gotta come right back. You gotta come right back. That sun gonna dry your car up, dry your water. Put a little more in there. Rinse all that soap out. And then after you're done with all that, then you come back and dry it. got another video coming out soon. I don't know if y'all can hear me. I got another video coming out soon. Part 2 of another tattoo session. Part 2 of another tattoo session. Alright, so what we finna do now, we finna go dry it. This side. Make sure you get underneath that car. We're gonna try to go back over with some Windex. Lift up your stuff. Lift it up. Now you want to get down low. Oh yeah. That looks sexy now. That side looking sexy, y'all. you want to finish the job. Bring y'all, man. So y'all tired. I'm hungry. Fix my steak. Dang, 25 minutes? Jesus Christ. I'm gonna show y'all the finished touches. Man. I'm out of breath right now, but I'm gonna catch y'all. It's getting dark, y'all, but I'm finna give y'all the finished product. Let's get it. Look at me, man. Check me out. Check me out. Check me out. Don't worry, y'all. I'm running the fishbowl right now, but I'm finna get my stuff tinted. Probably Tuesday. Hopefully. But how y'all like it? How y'all like it? How y'all like it? How y'all like it? Yeah. Yeah. If you need your car wash, man, holla at me, man. Holla at me. Holla at me, man. Holla at your boy for real. I'm charging about $50, man. Maybe 40. Maybe 40, man. But man, y'all come, mess with your boy, man. We at grandma's house, man. We at grandma's house, for sure. Oh yeah, I'm getting a new wing, y'all, man. I'm getting a new wing, for sure. New hookup, you feel me? But yeah, nice view. Finished touches, man. That's the finished product. Let's get it. Let's go see what grandma doing. I don't know if she gonna want to be in the camera, but we finna go see. Let's get it. So y'all, bro, look. I've been looking everywhere for this towel, bro. Just to find out the towel's right here the whole time. Crazy. But yeah, I'm finna see what's up with it. Let's go see what grandma up to. I'm all dirty stuff. That's how you know you clean it. I gotta put the towel in here. Finished product. Car still dripping water. We try to get all that out of there. But yeah, man, I'm finna get a new wing once again, man. That stuff gonna be hard, bro. Stuff gonna be hard, man. I'm gonna show y'all, man. I'm gonna show y'all when I get it. Show y'all when I get it, dog. What the freak is that? We got that, I think. Y'all probably like, man, this man ain't use no Windex. Listen, I ain't got no Windex right now. I'm gonna go grab some. I promise y'all, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show y'all how I really get down. How I really get down. Had to wash my shoes off, man. It was dirty. It was dirty. Can't get in no car. No dirty shoes. Man, y'all check grandma's house out, man. I'm about to come back out here, man, in the summer, springtime, man. House be blooming. I promise y'all, man. House be blooming. But let's see what grandma up to, man. I'm gonna show y'all. Man, look at that baby right there. Nice and clean. I told y'all, man, come holler at me, man. 2 times. Come holler at me. Man, y'all come holler at me, man. I wash your car up, man, for $40, $50. You know, holler at your boy, for sure. First one. Nah, never mind. Yeah, holla at your boy. Let me go put her chair back before she say something. Put her chair back, y'all. So, one thing about my grandma, man, she loved plants. Pretty sure y'all can tell by now. She loved plants, man. House beautiful, no cap. So this stuff I'm talking about. I don't like people do this. You need to start doing that. That trash and stuff. We'll play that. Go back and pick that up. You start doing that stuff, man. People out here tripping, throwing stuff. Let me see if grandma got anything there. Let me see if grandma wanna be in the camera, man. Hold on, I'm gonna catch y'all. I don't know if that ring camera work, but you wanna check it out, see how I did? Yeah, I told the YouTube that they need their car wash. Get at me for like $50, $40. For real.
I take a picture of myself to Aunt Aja so she can see it. She said she wanted to see it. I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Okay. Yeah. Tell Johnny, holla at me too. I'll wash his truck too.
Oh, yeah.
I'll wash his truck too. Y'all holla at me, man. Y'all holla at me. For real. Look, so look, I found goldfish, man, on the side of my car. Inside the side of my car. I had it for work, but I lost it inside my car. Don't ask me how I lost it, but I did. But I found it. I'm finna eat it. You got anything you want to say to YouTube? No. All right, then, Grandma. Okay. Oh, man. Nah, he off today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he off today. He off. Oh, yeah, you got some? Oh, okay. All right. Grandma's the GOAT, man. Man, y'all appreciate y'all grandmas out there, man. All over the world. I love y'all, man. It's your boy 2 Time. We out. Let's get it. Man, I almost did y'all wrong, bro. I can't leave out like that. So, I want to tell y'all, bro. Like, comment, and subscribe to the video, to the channel. And, follow your dreams. You feel me? Follow your dreams. Can't say it all, you know what I'm saying? I can only say this so much. Follow your dreams. And I'm out. If you don't get me some grub, your boy's starving. I love y'all.